Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. In the previous video, we have seen some basic functionality in Dart and we have seen what are literals and what are string interpolation inside a Dart. And in this video, we are going to see what are if and else condition inside a Dart. So let's get started. Let me define my void main. So basically, what is if and else condition? So let me take one example. I'm defining a variable name is marks. I'm giving the value as 40. So currently, what is if and else? So basically, whenever we want to check some condition, then we have to use if and else. So let me give some conditions. So my condition is if my marks is greater than or equals to 40, then it should print you are pass. Else it should print you are fail. Perfect. Now if I run this, it should give me you are pass. Perfect. And now let me change the value. Let me make them more than less than 40. So it will give me you are fail. So let's see how it will defining and how it will check the value. So if this is the condition, so if the given condition is true, then it will goes to the if part, and if the given condition is false, then it will goes to the else part. That simple as that. So now let's see how can we check more than one condition in Dart. So for more than one condition, let me define else if. So if you want to check more than one condition, then you have to print, you have to write if and else if, then else if, and then else. So let's see, I have to write some other condition. So if my marks is greater than 50, greater than or equals to 50, then it should show me your grade is B. And let me define more conditions. As if marks is greater than 60, then it should show me your grade is A. And now I have to give else condition. So you are fail. So now I have written some three conditions and one else part. So else part will only occur whenever the given above conditions are false. So firstly, my program will check this condition. If this condition is true, then it will print this. If this condition is false, then it comes and check this condition. If this condition is true, then it will print this. Otherwise, it will check this condition. If this condition is true, then it will print this. And if the above conditions are not true, then it will go to else part and print the else functionality. So let me do some more basic things. Like currently, I have given my marks is more than 40, equals to 40, then you are passed. So let me give more conditions inside this. So marks is greater than 40 or less than 50, and this is basically an AND operator. So by using this, you can give more than one condition in a single line. Marks is less than 60. Perfect. Now let me run this. So firstly, I'm just checking the fail condition. If my value is less than 40, then it will show me you are fail. If my values is in between 40 to 50, then it should show me 45. It should show me you are pass. And if my condition is between 55 to 60, it should show me your grade is B, perfect. And now if my value is less than 60, means 78 or something like, so it will show me your grade is A. Now this is perfect. So by using if, else if, and else if or else condition, this is basically called as nested if. And by using this, you can check a number of conditions, and instead of print, you can use or do some other functionality, like if this condition is true, then it will run some program inside this column, and if the given condition is false, then you can run some different programs. So if and else conditions are very important, and it's very basic, you can say. So I hope you like the video and you like my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And if you are facing any issue in Dart and Flutter, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. And please follow me on my social media account, link in the description. Thank you.